How to download TinyTask on your mobile. So if you're using an Android or if you are using an iOS, I have the solution. So right now, at the time I'm recording this video, if you go to Play Store and search for the TinyTask, you don't find the application right now. Same goes for iOS and same goes for Android. However, though you don't have to worry, however, I have another alternative of TinyTask. It works exactly the same, or you can say better than TinyTask. And you need to install this application for that. So as you can see, its name is ClickMate Auto Clicker Macro. This works exactly like TinyTask. You can record your swipes, or you can record typing, or you can record opening, closing, anything you want. You just need to program it, and it's pretty simple. You don't have to use your brain. Just record, just download ClickMate, okay, and open ClickMate. I'll show you how you can record task, and if you want to use it as a auto clicker, only the clicking stuff for Roblox or mining, you can do that as well. So for the video I'm showing record mode. Just tap here, and as you can see, here is a record mode. I will record the swipes. For that, you just need to press this record button. Okay, I'm recording this swipe. All right, so, and if I press this, okay, and close this. Okay, so I have recorded this task. I'm going to stop recording it, and I'm going to replay this, okay, in front of you. Okay, let's see. As you can see, it's playing itself. I'm not doing it. This is the recording. Okay, I'm not I'm not touching in the screen. So this is how you can record your swipes. This is the first option. Let me show you how you can automate clicking. So if you want to automate your only the touch stuff, for example, if you want to automate like multiple clicking stuff, for that you need to use this manual target. So right now, here's a plus button. At the plus button somewhere, if you want to just then after that press this play button. So right now it's like clicking itself, click 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 click, like maybe twice thrice. It will do that. It will keep clicking, or you can say it will keep touching the screen multiple times until you stop it. Okay, so this is the alternative of TinyTask. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.